Hello Lions, this is your systems librarian, and today I'm going to introduce you to a tool called Journal Finder. On the library homepage, if you scroll down, in the search box, you'll see a link in the middle that says Journal Finder. Journal Finder sorts all of our journals and ebooks into categories so that you can browse and see what publications we have and what access to those publications is available to you. Let's start by clicking on Film. So you can see there are 109 results, and you can use the filters on the side to determine what you're looking for. So if you want peer-reviewed journals, click that. Then you can further choose your subject, film, literature and writing, music, etc. You can also look at the publishers. These are our journal titles, providing the ISSNs, and also your full text access. So you can see that for this journal, in ProQuest, we have access from 2004 to the present with a 1-year delay. If you click on it, it'll take you to a more detailed record. Clicking on one of the providers will take you to the journal. Say there is a journal title you're interested in and you want to see if the library has it. You can search at the top of the screen and suggested titles will come up. You can also input the ISSN if you have it. If you have any questions, please make sure to reach out to the library. We'll be more than happy to help. Have a great day!